How to find your deleted archive. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find the archive you have deleted on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick. So let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, click on those three lines up there to get to your profile, or just click on your profile icon and here your profile. Now click on those 3 points up there, and all you need to do is click on the option number 3, which is archive, and here click on trash, and you're gonna find the archive you have deleted. Now if this archive past 26 days, you are not gonna find your archive because it just you're gonna find it here, and if it does spend 26 days, you're not gonna find it. Just click on it if you wanna restore it or archive it again. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.